Now, welcome my dear class 10 students in the guidance class and in the e-learning as well as in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss with you, and I'm very sure that you get confident after this class solving the numericals related to physics, because we have discussed in the previous video, in the previous class, we have studied about the basic concept and sign conventions, how the signs we have to use for the different terms related to the terms of science, as the image distance, object distance, height of image, height of object, and magnification in a concave mirror and in a convex mirror. Now, to make our understanding more concrete, we are going to take some practical problems, numericals, and try to translate and transform our understanding in this numerical, that whether we have understood those terms or not. So first I am going to take questions related to mirror. This is your NCERT book, page number 186, and the question number 15. Question number 15. I am just going to read out the question number 15. An object of size 7 centimeter. I will ask you a question, and you have to give me answer whether it is positive or negative. Okay. Now let me give the chance to the girls. You are given that an object of size 7 centimeter. This, what is this 7 centimeter? Any girls, raise your hand and speak. Height of object. That is 7 centimeter. It is positive or negative? आपका नाम क्या है? Komal. It is positive or negative? Always. Height of object is always positive. Why the height of object is always positive? Because it is always kept above the principal axis. So here, first thing we have to translate it and put it very correctly with the correct sign, that height of object is plus 7 centimeters. An object of size 70 centimeter is placed 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. An object is placed 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Boys, what is 27 centimeter? Raise your hand and answer. Last one.
Object distance.
Object distance. Very good. That is equal to, object distance is represented by u. 27 centimeter. It is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Because object distance, irrespective of any mirror, is always negative. Very good. In front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. Anyone? Rohan.
Negative.
What is this? 18 centimeter is what?
Focal length.
Focal length. So F is 18 centimeter. It is positive or negative, and why?
Because
It is positive or negative? First answer. It is negative. Why it is negative? Because it is a focal length of a concave mirror. Concave mirror. Now, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be formed? तो स्क्रीन पर हमेशा क्या बनता है बच्चों? इमेज बनता है. तो क्या पूछ रहा है हमको? Image distance is asked. Second thing, find the size and nature of the object. We have to find the size of the object. Means you have to find the height of the image and nature of the image, whether it is real or inverted. Is it clear? Now here, according to the basis of ray diagram, certain thing I would like to discuss with you. Focal length is 18 centimeter. Okay. So the radius of curvature will be 36 centimeter. Very good. So where the object has placed, at what condition the object has placed? The object distance is given 27. F is 18. R is radius of curvature is 36. And object distance is 27. Where the object has placed? Very good. Between focus and center of curvature. This is the condition number 4. What is the nature of image in that condition? Please remember, yesterday you have practiced. What is the nature of image? Real and inverted. Smaller or larger? Larger. Two things we have practiced in Venn diagram. Now from this numerical we are going to find out whether our findings or whether our concept is correct or not. हमको क्या बनना चाहिए? इमेज कैसा बनना चाहिए बच्चों? रियल बनना चाहिए. और इमेज ऑब्जेक्ट से क्या बनना चाहिए? छोटा या बड़ा? ऑब्जेक्ट साइज कितना है? तो 7 सेंटीमीटर से बड़ा बनना चाहिए. अब चलिए हम चलते हैं. We will use the mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to minus, and 1 upon F is equal to minus 80. What I have told you that if you translate the statement into correct numerical information, almost you have done 60 to 70% of the numericals. क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन ये कितना छोटा है बच्चों, मैंने बोला था ना, it is hardly 2 or 3 steps of calculation of fraction. हमको fraction का केवल क्या करना है बच्चों? जोड़ और घटाव करना है. तो 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 27, both that side will become positive. 1 upon 27 minus 1 upon 18. The LCM of this one, 1 upon 27 and 18. That is 54. 27 गुना 54 और 18 दिया 18 में 1 upon V is equal to minus 1 upon 54. So V is equal to minus 54 centimeter. Okay. Now from this chart, when V is negative, what is the nature of image? Real. And the same thing we have discussed in the beginning. So what is this? Is the image distance. This is the image distance. First thing we have find. Now what is the nature of image? Nature is real. Why nature is real? Because sign is negative. Okay. Now we have to find height of the object. So what is the formula of height of the object? Minus V upon U into height of object. With minus sign, V is minus 54, U is minus 27, and height of object is 7. So minus minus cancel. 27 is that is equal to minus 14 centimeter. This is the height of image. And from here, when the height of image has negative sign, what is the nature of image? Real. And the size of image is 14 centimeter, which means larger than object. So both things we have find what we have discussed in the very beginning of this solving the numericals. The both things we have got correct. Now one numericals I would like to take from convex mirror. Question number concave lens. Question number 14 देखिए. Question number 14. This question is related to convex mirror. An object 5 centimeter in length. Anyone? What is the 5 centimeter?
Height of object.
Height of object that is always positive. 5 centimeter. At a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. What is this, girls? Please say. What is this 20 centimeter? An object kept in front of a convex mirror of 20 centimeter.
Distance of the object from it. Distance of object from it.
Object distance that is 20 centimeter. What is the nature of this 20 centimeter? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Negative. distance is always negative, either in concave or in convex, because it is always kept on the reflecting side. So it is always negative. Simplicity. In front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. What is this 30 centimeter? Anyone raise your hand and speak.
Distance between center of curvature and pole.
Pole, that is R. R is equal to 30 centimeter. Positive or negative?
Negative. Positive. Positive. Positive.
Positive. Beta, you have just discussed now. See here. This is pole, this is center, and this is known as radius of curvature. And opposite side of the mirror is always positive, and in front side is always negative. So what will be the F in this case?
15 cm.
Because F is equal to R upon 2, that is equal to 50 centimeters. Now, so the, at what, find the position of the image in nature and size. Means you have to find V, size and nature. Means all these three things what we have discussed in concave mirror, the same thing you have to find out in convex mirror. That boy, please stand, right? खड़े हो जाओ and bring your copy here. अपना copy लेकर आओ, जिस copy में मुझे डालना. Now we use mirror formula. 1 upon V minus or plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V we have to find U is equal to minus 20 and F is equal to 1 upon 50. So here 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 15. Minus come this side become plus. Okay. मैंने क्या बताया था बच्चों? सिंपल एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन से फ्रैक्शनल नंबर का. तो कैलकुलेशन आप 10th क्लास में आपको ये टेस्ट नहीं करना है. 10th क्लास का जो सिलेबस है वो आपसे ये टेस्ट नहीं करेगा कि आपको कैलकुलेशन आता है कि नहीं आता है. 10th क्लास का सिलेबस आपसे ये टेस्ट करेगा कि आप इस एरिया को ठीक से समझे हैं कि नहीं. आइदर यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट and get skill to translate and transform the statement correctly into numerical information, because when you translate this one correctly, this part is very easy. ये आपका 80% न्यूमेरिकल्स है बच्चों. इस चीज को समझिए आप. ये आपका 80% न्यूमेरिकल्स है. ये पार्ट क्या है? केवल 20% है, क्योंकि एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन फ्रैक्शंस के आप क्लास 4 से पढ़ते आ गए हो. So this is not the numericals. Please, my dear student, this one is your numericals. आप यहाँ ध्यान देते हो ज्यादा. ये नहीं है आपके लिए ध्यान देने की जरूरत. यहाँ आप ध्यान भी नहीं दोगे तो आपका काम हो गया है. Are you getting my point? LCM is 15 and 20. 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 5 3 जा 15, 15 4 जा 60. 15 चौका 60 और 20 दिया 60. 7 upon 60. So V is equal to 60 upon 7 centimeter. Now, from this chart, when the nature of here in the convex mirror, no doubt it is always virtual. जहाँ convex mirror आएगा बच्चों, the nature of the image is virtual, and the image distance is always positive. क्योंकि वो कहाँ बनेगा? Behind the mirror. The nature क्या हो जाएगा हमारा? नेचर हो जाएगा हमारा वर्चुअल. नाउ हाइट ऑफ इमेज. अब हमको एक चीज बताइए. यस्टरडे दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु वर प्रेजेंट इन माय क्लास, आई हैव डिस्कस्ड वेरी सिग्निफिकेंटली अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ इमेजेस फॉर्म्ड इन अ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. दैट इज ऑलवेज erect and smaller, and there is a question has come usually in board examination: which type of mirror is used as a rear view mirror in automobiles and why? Those who are not present yesterday, I am going to take a revision of that one. That we always use a convex mirror. Why you always use a convex mirror? Because so what is the nature of the image formed in a convex mirror? Always virtual and erect, and also smaller than object. Suppose you are going on a motorcycle and a big bus is behind you. So you can see the image of that big bus in your small convex mirror. Even 2 or 3 buses, you can see all the images of all the buses and trucks on your mirror. So that's why you always use a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in automobile. 2 reasons that image forms in a convex mirror is virtual and erect and smaller than object. तो सीधा बनता है. चलिए, तो हमारा जो इमेज बनेगा वो 5 सेंटीमीटर से बड़ा बनेगा या छोटा बनेगा? छोटा बनना चाहिए. अगर छोटा बनता है तो हमारा कैलकुलेशन सही है. माइनस v अपॉन u टू द हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. माइनस v कितना आया बच्चों? 60 अपॉन 7 और u कितना हमारा? माइनस 20 और हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट कितना हो गया हमारा? 5. माइनस और माइनस कैंसिल. 23 जा 60. That is equal to 5 3 जा 15 upon 7 centimeter. Or then and it is positive. It is positive, which means the nature of the image is virtual and erect. And 15 upon 7, that is equal to 2 point something centimeter, is smaller than 5 centimeters. All the conditions are fulfilled. So my dear students, please practice numericals from other books or sample questions, that is you can get it from Android phone from CBSE site. Because CBSE has already prescribed the sample set of all the subjects. So I suggest you to take out those samples papers and solve the numericals from that one. You all have side books of physics of Maida S. Chand or any other editions book. Try to solve numericals as more as you can in your physics homework copy, not in other copy, so that you will get some pages filled, and that will give me satisfaction that yes, you are practicing numericals or what I am suggesting you. Free feel to ask your doubts, my dear students, because in next class I will take refraction chapter, refractive index, or I will start the diffractions. Till then, all the best. God bless you, my dear students. अब हमको एक चीज बताइए बच्चों,